This is Ray Smith from Ray's Forex Tips. And we're talking about live trading. Live trading. And we're going to talk about your net gain versus low gain. All right, at least your high gain versus low gains. And that's going to be something very important for you. Now, this is for the experienced Forex trader, okay? And you can make both of them work for you. And we have provided an article to help you to understand how that works, okay? So these are one of the things that once you really get into live Forex trading, that once you already understand how this works, then you have confidence. Your strategy is going to work, and you're going to be prepared, okay? But if you're not prepared, then you may make a bad decision. So again, let's talk about live trading and about low gains versus high gains, and what to do in both, how to prepare yourself, what to look for, okay? Also, if you are just starting, we do have a 30-day free plan for you. You can check it out for 30 days and see if this is something you want to avail yourself to, something you may like to do, and something that will help your portfolio. So again, we're here to help you. We'll have more articles, and this one right here especially is for people who have already started and you really want to understand how to, to maneuver once you're live trading, okay? All right, this is Ray Smith from Ray's Forex Tips. Have a blessed day.